songful world. My songs are my pumpkins, let the years pass away.